Okay, picking up where we left off. Let's focus on these. So we have the move, rotate, scale, and all that. These help you to interact with the object itself. So if you want to move the object itself around, you could just select and move. And we have the planes, the Z plane, the X plane, and the Y plane. So you could just click on any of these and just move it around. Or for free movement, you could just click in the middle and move it as you wish. Now the keyboard shortcut for this, so let me put this back. The keyboard shortcut for this is G for grab. So you can just move it around. And for hotkey users, after grabbing, you could just press X, Y, or Z on your keyboard to move it in a specific plane. Okay, and then we have scale. So select and scale, and you could scale it in a specific direction or plane. This way, or you could just go crazy. Okay, now just a tip. If you want to return it to the initial way, instead of just doing Ctrl Z for undo, you could just do Alt S, and that's going to undo any scale you've done, and Alt G for any grab and move you've done. Alright, next we do rotate, and obviously the hotkey, sorry, let me return this. Obviously the hotkey will be R, and you could just rotate it, and in specific planes R, and let me try Y. You could just move it in the Y, rotate it in the Y plane, and to undo Alt R, as simple as that. So in the next video, we'll be actually getting to model something. Okay, so for now, just subscribe and anticipate good stuff coming your way.